And welcome to another macrocosm video. With 70% more mass than all the other planets put together, Jupiter, a gas giant, is the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter's designation as a gas giant was no exaggeration. If you parachuted into Jupiter, you would never touch down. You would plunge through the planet's dense, tumultuous atmosphere for tens of thousands of kilometers before coming upon what is likely the oddest feature on the planet: a 40,000 kilometers deep ocean of unusual fluid. But there are other oceans on Jupiter besides this weird concoction, which is primarily made of hydrogen. This image displays a water-filled planet's atmospheric map created by scientists. And they've recently learned that the comet Shoemaker-levy 9, which impacted Jupiter in 1994, was the source of nearly all of it. The result was fantastic as well. This image shows a large black area, 6,000 kilometers wide, that was left behind after the ice comet crashed into Jupiter's dense, gaseous atmosphere. This dark patch is visible, tainting the planet's surface. Shoemaker-levy 9 also left behind a substantial amount of ice near its core, which is a characteristic of comets in general. Using the Space Telescope Herschel, astronomers have created a new three-dimensional map of the water on Jupiter. The blue cloud surrounding the planet in this picture is water. Although the presence of water on Jupiter is not particularly surprising, the map reveals that the southern hemisphere of the planet has the majority of the water. Astronomers were intrigued by this, since they would have anticipated an equitable distribution of water over the globe if the water had originated from the inner planet. There is only one explanation for the peculiar concentration of water to the south. It was a delivery from Shoemaker-levy 9. Amazing fact. At the center of Jupiter, there is likely a solid core that is roughly 10 times as large as Earth. But you couldn't approach it because of the immense pressure and heat. With temperatures greater than the surface of the Sun and pressure approaching 40 million times that of Earth's atmosphere, the conditions at Jupiter's core are terrible. And that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. Stay connected to get more knowledge about the space. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.